So today we're making veggie pilau, and we have a pack of pigeon peas here, 16 ounces, and we had it soaking in 6 cups of water for about 6 hours, washed and drained. So we're gonna put the pigeon peas to boil. Boil it in 6 cups of water. So we're going to use 2.5 cups of rice, and it'll serve about 10 people. So we have 1 coconut, and we're gonna open it and blend it, and this is in 6 cups of water, and we have that here. 2 green onions chopped right here, half an onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic chopped too, or minced, about a tablespoon of ginger, and we grated it, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper chopped, we have 1 pimento pepper chopped, 2 leaves of bandonier, and a bunch of thyme, a cup of pumpkin cut up. We have 2 cups of diced carrots. So we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of oil, 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay, so once the onion has a little bit of color, we're gonna add the garlic, ginger, the hot pepper, and the green onion. We're gonna put the peas in. So we wash the rice, and we're gonna add the rice in there. We're gonna add the thyme. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt. Add a teaspoon of black pepper. So we're gonna put the 2 cups of carrots. And the pumpkin. So we blended up the bandonier, and we're gonna add that. So we're gonna cover it, put it on low heat, and then let it cook for 3 minutes. Okay, so we're adding the coconut milk. Alright, 4 cups of coconut milk, 2 cups of water. We're gonna cook it on low. Okay, so we're gonna cook it on low for 20 minutes. Okay, so we ended up cooking the rice for about 30 minutes. And we're gonna add some golden rye butter, a 1/4 cup maybe. Tastes really good.